So here in Photoshop, we're going to have a look at a few things. We're going to have a look at how to add guides, how to remove the guides, and also then if we have guides, how we can hide and then show our guides. So basically, the first thing we need to do to add guides to make sure we have the rulers showing on. So if you do Command and R or Control and R on the PC, it will show and hide your rulers. And then once the rulers are visible, then we can click and hold on the ruler and drop our guides down. So we'll just drop 4 guides onto our document here. And basically, the first thing you might want to do is move your guide. So I've got the Move tool selected. If I hover over my guide, you can see I get a little left and right arrow, which allows me to move my guides around. And then if we want to delete a guide, we can click and hold on it and drag it back to the ruler, and that will remove the guide from our document. We can also go to View and Guides and Clear Guides to remove all the guides, and that will delete them all. And then if we drag on some more guides here and we want to temporarily turn those off, then we can go to View and Show and check guides here, and you can see the shortcut here on the Mac is Command and the semicolon, or on the PC Control and semicolon, and basically that will allow us to turn on and off guides in Photoshop really quickly and easily. So we can add those guides, move them around, remove them, and then also turn them on and off using that shortcut if we want to keep the guides but not always have them on when we're working, because they can be a distraction in our design. So quick tutorial there on how to work with guides in Adobe Photoshop. If you do have any questions, then please leave a comment below.